Hey everyone, I'm Nate. That's Glenn, my dad. We're the RC Sailors. Abby and Mom are out doing some baby shopping stuff. And we're out here with the Bix3 with Popeye. You hear it flying by right now. Let me flip this thing around. Here we are after RCS Fest. Dad has made it down to celebrate a little more private Father's Day. And Popeye's over there, just scratching his back on the grass, just beating some rain. And Dad's got the Bix3. First time ever, I think, flying it, I'm pretty sure. And we're gonna try, without the landing gear, to do a touch and go. Can we do it? Get it down there. Don't go in Death Valley, though. You got it. Go, 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 go. Oh! Oh! Let's try again. Try again. It can be done. Get it, Popeye. Get it, buddy. Okay. So the Bix3 is an awesome plane because normally it's really hard to do this with. Dad, let's make sure flaps and things are okay. Aileron, elevator, rudder, throttle. Popeye's ready for takeoff. I think we are too. Let's do a redemption and try again. Take two, here we go. It's in the air. Popeye, don't go in Death Valley, no! No, Popeye! Not in Death Valley, Popeye! Go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it! And Dad's gonna try a touch and go. Let's make sure Popeye's clear. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on. Let's get off the field. Let's go. Glide in so he doesn't know. And we're gonna do a touch and go. Popeye, come here. Come here, buddy. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. And go, 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 go. Oh, it clipped again. Okay, third time's the charm. Too much elevator. Popeye, come here, buddy. We're in some water now. Magnetic, popped off. Check everything. Yeah, I think you're getting lift, but you're getting to a very steep stall, so maybe too much elevator. All you really need to do is skim the grass. Just skim it. That's what makes it fun. If it was easy, no one would still be watching.
Look at your nose. It's all muddy.
That's okay. We can wipe that off. Bix3 is a trooper here. Popeye, you ready for takeoff? Okay, I think that's a yes.
Get on your feet.
No, we're fine.
Okay.
Ready? Popeye's gonna chase for a minute. You might want to go 2 loops around just to wear him out. That way he's not a factor. He's coming back. He says, I chased it away. That's all I need to do. That's my job. Okay, just turn around again and then we'll... Great day to fly. Off and on rain, but the wind isn't bad. Mom and Dad came out to visit. And Dad and I wanted to fly. So we grabbed this because it still wasn't packed away from RCS Fest. Came up quickly. And we're just coming up with fun little challenges to do. Touch and go without the landing gear on the Bix3, an amazing plane. This shows how tough it is, obviously. I'm gonna get a little closer. You're fine though, Dad. I just want a good shot. And go, 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 go. Yeah, you got it, nice. Woo! That is awesome. Built up the speed. Good job.
Only a little up elevator.
You did it.
All right.
That was awesome. So the first 2 tries, too much up elevator.
Yeah. And something else.
Okay. Give us a nice low flyby. A very far away flyby, but it's close. It's low. That's all right. The Bix3, everyone. Popeye, my dad, at the airfield. After RCS Fest, having fun. This will just be a bonus video. Popeye, tell him thanks for watching because Abby's not here, so someone has to say bye. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. We're working on RCS Fest content. Hopefully, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. It's coming soon. We'll have the Bix3 linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Can you do the Abby bye?
Bye.
Bye.